So we are back on site at our Edgemont Elegance project. You can see behind me that we have got concrete pump, and we've got, not sure if it's the first or second concrete truck that has now emptied, and they're in the process of switching out. Kind of cool to see how that works. Been doing this long enough to know that they saw the concrete come out and it just looked a little bit too thick. So what they're doing is adding a little bit of water to it so that it A, comes out of the truck better, and more importantly, B, it moves through the pump better. You know, you might think, oh, they fill the wall all the way up with concrete right away. Not true. What we do is we only fill it up 2 to 4 feet. It just depends. And we go around the perimeter 3 or 4 times, filling up the forms. The reason being is concrete, like, it's an incredible amount of pressure and weight that's going into the form. And if you try to fill it up all in one shot, then it'll blow out and you'll have concrete not where you want it. So the gentleman in the white shirt there is running a vibrator, and what that does is it helps to liquefy the concrete and prevents what we would call messy concrete. Go with that. I don't know if you can see, but there's steam coming off of the concrete as it goes in, and that's because there's hot water in the concrete, and that is to help get it to kick, as we call it in the business, and go from being a liquid to a solid as quickly as possible. Beautiful, beautiful concrete. It's the most important part of the house, really. Today, so far, we are on our 3rd concrete truck. We are expecting 2.5, 2 3/4 more to come to finish pouring all of the exterior foundation walls and the interior footings. It cannot be understated how exciting it is for us and for our clients to get to this stage. I mean, yes, it's one of many stages, and obviously everybody wants to move in, but you can't build a house without a foundation. And so getting the foundations in and getting this work done is a massive step forward to getting this project onto the next step, which of course is going to be framing. If you want to know anything about what we do or how we do it or why we do it, I'd love to hear from you. Please reach out in the comments or shoot us a message through our website, sprucehill.ca. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoy seeing the content and want to see how homes are built and the process. We're going to be shooting these videos on a weekly basis, so you can kind of join us for the ride and see how this home progresses. And thank you so much for watching. Stay awesome.